Hi everyone, today's video is how to make panna cotta. A panna cotta is basically a flavoured set cream. It's absolutely delicious. It's vanilla that I've used today, but you can use other flavours in it if you want to. And it's really nice served with soft fruit like strawberries or raspberries. Your panna cotta should have a slight wobble on it like that. And that's achieved by using gelatine, which is a setting agent usually made from a pork substance. So not suitable for vegans or vegetarians, but there are some vegetarian gelatine versions out there now that you can buy from your local supermarket. Have a go. It's not too difficult, but it is actually, if you can make a good panna cotta and tip it out like this, it is considered a high medium to a complex skill, and you can decorate that with some different fruits or maybe make your own fruit coulis. Okay, have a go. Same with the videos as usual. Take care everybody. Bye.